miles and miles just because you missed your carriage? Well, no more. Let's go back to Emma Jo in the studio to introduce you to this new invention that you'll love.
Thanks, Sasha. Now let's get down to business, especially if you don't want to look like this freak. Yikes. But first, I think I need some help.
And they were roommates.
Thanks for joining us.
Of course.
This is a steam engine.
The steam engine was created by Thomas Newcomen in 1712.
But Aisa, why do we need it?
The steam engine powers several different vehicles and machines that makes production quicker and cheaper. How does it benefit our society?
Good question.
Thank you so much.
It resulted in the creation of semi-automated factories, and it increased the production of goods in places where water power was not available. Can I get a touch-up? Oh, sorry. Back to you, Sasha.
Okay, so now how it works. The steam engine uses the force produced by steam pressure to push the piston back and forth inside of the cylinder. Just like that. Hilldog, how has a steam engine helped your business?
It helps me transport my goods faster.
Check it out at www.jenkinsjellies.com.
There's no I in STEAM. Has this ever happened to you? Found out about this new invention that Ron could believe. Emma!
No, wait, is that it?
Has this ever happened to you? You ran miles and miles just because you missed your carriage? Well, no more. We'll introduce you to this new invention that you laughed at me!
It helps me transport my product somewhere.
www.jenkinsjellies.org. Hilldog, how does... No.